In this video, I'll show you how to connect 4 DJI Mic 3s. All right, let's get started. There's a lot of things that came into play to me purchasing the DJI Mic 3 in the first place, and the reason why I purchased 2 more. So now I have 4 DJI Mic 3s. And the reason why is because it's how simple DJI makes it for you to connect 4 microphones. So all you have to do is swipe down, and then you see receiver settings. Go over and slide till you see device linking. Once you see device linking, you tap that. And what you want to do is type in TX for the transmitter. Right now, the device is going to be searching for any devices to link with it. So what you want to do is grab your DJI mic and press the link button. The link button is on the side. You just hold it until it turns blue. After it turns blue, you want to tap TX1 to accept the first mic. And then you do the same thing for the second microphone. You hold down the link button, and then it turns blue, and then you press TX2 to accept the second microphone. After that, both microphones will be connected, and at this point, all 4 microphones are now being shown on the device. This is pretty dope. All right, so that's how you connect 4 DJI Mic 3s. This is phenomenal. I'm going to be using this actually later today. So I got these mics today. I'm going to be using all 4 today to record a podcast for some clients. Can't wait to do that. I think you can connect up to 8 as long as you have another receiver. So if you have another receiver with 4 other DJI mics, you can have 8 wireless mics. So I think that's pretty awesome. I don't know, maybe I might get another receiver and a couple of transmitters. So if you enjoyed this video, please for me, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.